So we're standing in an empty parking lot over here by CVS. Here, I'll go back. This is our apartment building right back there behind the yellow building. And here is it's the alley we're in. There's an empty parking lot. There's Walgreens, if you can see it back there. There's Cody. And CVS, a little bit of a mission, but it's legit out here. And Willie's kidding. Oh, legit. The snow is like, I don't know. I mean, look, it's deep. It's like 5-6 inches already, you guys. Something like that. Wait, there's dog poop over there, remember? Ah! My phone!